Why are there not more people talking about what actually lights up in your head when you think? Today I'll show you how your brain becomes a living canvas every time you have a thought. You're about to see thinking in a whole new light. Here's a wild fact. Your brain is constantly buzzing with electrical activity, even when you're just daydreaming or solving a puzzle. But what's happening visually? If you could see inside your head, you'd witness a fireworks show of colors thanks to advanced brain scans like fMRI and PET. These scans don't show literal color, but scientists assign different hues to represent brain activity. Red and yellow? Those mean areas are working hardest, like when you're solving a tricky math problem. Cooler colors like blue and green? That's your brain in chill mode, maybe while you're relaxing with music. And get this, creative thinking lights up parts of the brain that logical thinking doesn't, painting a totally different color map. When you remember a happy moment, emotional centers glow sometimes in bright orange or red. Even simple acts like moving your hand or hearing your name pop different zones into color-coded action. So thinking isn't just a silent process. It's a hidden masterpiece, with colors shifting every second depending on what's on your mind. Next time you're deep in thought, picture your brain as a wild, ever-changing painting because inside your head, it's never just black and white.